As a sun umbrella used on the beach, the common size is 16mm, 18mm, 2mm, 22mm, 24mm. 2mm, 22mm, 24mm. For suppliers it is radians, for customers it is the diameter under the umbrella. For example, the arc is 24mm, and the diameter under the umbrella is 22mm, 225mm. The arc of 2mm and the diameter under the umbrella are 18mm, 185mm. Diameter under the umbrella is from the end of one umbrella bone to the end of the opposite umbrella bone. The diameter under this umbrella is 18mm. The radian size is from the end of the bead to the end of the opposite bead. The arc of this umbrella is 2mm.